Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and ready for today's English class. Okay, we are almost going to finish our portion. Take your books and turn to page number 10. Page number 10. Name the picture. Name the picture. Can you tell me what is the first one? Do you know the name of this? All these pictures have the letter U. Okay, we are learning about U sound words. We are learning about U sound words. So, think of a name which has the letter U. Okay, this is a tub. This is a tub. T-U-B, tub. Okay, write T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. What is this? This is a bud. Bud. Okay. Before it flowers, first the bud comes and then it opens into the flower. The spelling for bud is B-U-D, bud. B-U-D, bud. B-U-D, bud. Okay. What is the next one? You can see a cup. You know this. Okay. See, all the words have the letter U. U sound words. Cup. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. Okay. What is this? This is a jug. This is a jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. Okay, what is the last one? You have seen gum. Okay, then your book. This is gum. G-U-M, gum. Shall we write? G-U-M, gum. G-U-M, gum. Okay. Tub. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. Second one is bud. Second one is bud. B-U-D, bud. B-U-D, bud. Third one is cup. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. This is jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. And the last one is gum. G-U-M, gum. G-U-M, gum. Okay. Now take your notes. Take a fresh page. Take your notes. Take your note and write today's date. What is today's date? 8/12/21. Okay. Now we are going to write A to Z. Do you remember? Okay. You all know how to write A to Z. Okay. Shall we write? What is the first alphabet? I want you to write A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, after that G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, how many alphabets are there? Count and tell me how many alphabets are there. 26 alphabets are there. How many alphabets are there? How many alphabets are there in English? 26 alphabets are there. 26 alphabets are there. Okay, now you have written from A to Z. All these are alphabets. We are going to learn about vowel. Okay, there are 26 alphabets. We are going to learn about vowels. There are 5 vowels. Okay, I want you to remember. I will circle the vowels. A, E, I, O and U. All these 5 alphabets are vowels. All these 5 alphabets are vowels. Okay, I'll write here. I want you to write. Okay, these are called vowels. Okay, what all alphabets are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, how many alphabets are vowels? 5 alphabets are vowels. See clearly, all these 5 alphabets are vowels. Okay, all these 5 letters are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Learn along with me. You should remember all these 5 alphabets by heart it now. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, have you learnt it? Write this in your home. Okay, write it somewhere where you can see or in the wall, so that you will keep learning. Whenever you look at the wall, you will learn the vowels and keep it in your mind. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. Today we are going to learn where to use A and where to use an. Okay, A and. Okay, A and. Usage of A and we are going to learn today. Okay, some words are there. The words that start with the letter A, E, I, O, U. You should write an. Okay, example for A, I'll write here. I am writing dash. We should fill this dash with A or an. Okay, what is this? A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay, what is the first letter? A. A is a vowel. So what you will write? For all these 5 letters you will write an. Okay, so an apple. An apple. Okay, an apple. Okay, next one I am going to write bed. B, E, D, bed. B, E, D, bed. What is the first letter? B. Is B a vowel? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So B is not in the vowel. So what will you write? You will write A. Okay. A bed. A bed and apple. Okay. Now take your books and turn to page number 11. We'll learn from the book usage of A and. Okay, children, take your book, turn to page number 11. Take your books and turn to page number 11. Page number 11, usage of A and. Okay, first we are going to see the first column. Okay, I want you to write the vowels here. What are the vowels? For an, what are the vowels? A, write in your book. A, E, I, O, U. All these are vowels. If the word starts with this letter, you should write an. Okay, remaining 21 letters you will write A. Okay, first you'll see this column. You can see a boy. Okay, we say him as a lad. lad. L is not a vowel, so what they have written? A lad, a lad. Okay, this is a bed. Bed is, B is not a vowel, so they have given a bed. What is this? This is a fig fruit. This is a fruit. The name of the fruit is fig. Okay, F is not a vowel, so they have given a fig, a fig. What is this? This is a doe. D-O-E, doe. Doe means, you all know, deer. A female deer is called doe. A mother deer is called doe. Okay, D is not an alphabet. D is not an alphabet. D is not a vowel. Okay, so a doe. A doe. What is the last one? This is a rug. Rug means a cloth. A rug. R is not a vowel. R is not a vowel. So you write a rug. A rug. Okay. Now we'll go to vowels. What is this? This is an axe. This is an axe. A is a vowel. A is a vowel. Okay. See, if the word starts with A, E, I, O, U, you will write an. Okay. A is a vowel. So you will write an axe. An axe. Are you able to follow? After this class, I'll give you homework. I want you to write and send me. If you understand only, you will be able to do the homework. Okay. What is this? This is an ewe. This is an ewe. Ewe is a female sheep. Okay. A mother sheep or a female sheep is called ewe. What is the first letter? E. E is an vowel. E is a vowel. So you write an. And you. And you. Okay. What is this? This is an inn. Inn is a place where people can stay. I is a vowel, so you write an. And in. What is this? This is a bird. Owl. Owl is a bird. O is a vowel, so you write an owl. And owl. And the last one is an urn. Urn. U is a vowel. U is a vowel, so you write an. And urn. And okay, I'll give you homework. I want you to learn A, E, I, O, U. If the word starts with all these letters, you will write an. Okay, the remaining 21 letters you will write A. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.